Professional Learning Networks for Teachers Professional Development Hyperdoc. As you scroll down, the learner will be able to read the overall learning targets that they will accomplish by the end of this Hyperdoc. Scrolling down to the first portion is the engage portion, where it requires the individual response from each learner. The learner will first read the directions and then engage in the following resources under the read and watch: the quotes, the visual, as well as the linked videos for the learner to engage in. After viewing all of the following resources in the read and watch section, the learner will then record their name and initial reactions and thoughts to their overall experience when reading and viewing the following resources. Once all of the names and the initial reactions are put into each section, the learners can read over other people's initial reactions and thoughts in order to see other perspectives on the PLNs and PLCs. This concludes the engaged portion of the Hyperdoc for PLNs.